Hey everyone! Unitywater's community art program has created a splash of colour across your region. 11 once boring pieces of infrastructure are now 11 pieces of inspiring art. Local artists have painted the town, literally, bringing colour and creativity to the places that you pass every day. Here's a little snapshot of just how much colour they've brought to your local communities, like this one, and this one, or this one, and this one, and this one, and you can't miss this one. And of course we love our native animals like this little guy and this little guy, plus more amazing critters. There's plenty more art that's popped up across Moreton Bay, Sunshine Coast and Noosa, so keep your eyes peeled. More murals and more amazing artists, so see what's going on at unitywater.com. Toodles!